ABC Educational Channel.
Today, let's have a speaking practice using a question. What nationality are you? Are you ready? Let's begin. What nationality are you?
I am German, and I am from Germany.
What nationality are you? I am Turkish, and I am from Turkey. What nationality are you? I am French, and I am from France. What nationality are you?
I am Brazilian, and I am from Brazil.
What nationality are you?
I am Chinese, and I am from China.
What nationality are you? I am American, and I am from America. What nationality are you?
I am Canadian, and I am from Canada.
What nationality are you?
I am Egyptian, and I am from Egypt.
What nationality are you?
I am Japanese, and I am from Japan.
What nationality are you? I am Indian, and I am from India. What nationality are you?
I am Filipino, and I am from the Philippines.
What nationality are you?
I am Thai, and I am from Thailand.
What nationality are you? I am Australian, and I am from Australia. What nationality are you? I am Korean, and I am from Korea. What nationality are you? I am Mexican, and I am from Mexico. What nationality are you?
I am Indonesian, and I am from Indonesia.
What nationality are you? I am Italian, and I am from Italy. What nationality are you? I am Vietnamese, and I am from Vietnam. What nationality are you? I am Colombian, and I am from Colombia. What nationality are you?
I I am Indian and I am from India.
What nationality are you? I am Russian, and I am from Russia. What nationality are you? I am French, and I am from France. What nationality are you? I am Swedish, and I am from Sweden. What nationality are you?
I am South African and I am from South Africa.
What nationality are you? I am Cambodian, and I am from Cambodia.